stop scrolling. I'm about to make the 9 times table easy. Most people think the 9 times table is so hard, but once you know this trick, you'll never forget it. Hold up 10 fingers. Let's try 9 times 4. Hold your 4th finger down and then look at your hands. You have 3 fingers on your left and 6 on your right. 10s and 1s. 36. Let's go again. 9 times 7. Fold down the 7th finger and you've got 6 10s and 3 1s. 63. And here's another secret. The 2 digits always add up to 9. If you would like some extra practice, you can download the free times table mat from my website. The link is in the bio. Now it's time for you to practice and tell all of your friends. You've just mastered the 9 times table. Thank you for learning with me.